Hi there, and welcome to today's web session, What's New with Adaptive Insights. My name is Chris Lewanik. I am a consulting manager with Armanino, and I will take you through some of the exciting new features that were recently released. This video will focus on updates available to all customers. We will discuss updates in the following areas: modeling and consolidation, analytics, integration, and updates to the OfficeConnect and Excel Interface for planning modules. Let's start with modeling and consolidations. With the weighted average translation reset option, you can choose to automatically reset accumulated account balances at the start of a new time period. You have the ability to choose the time interval, and time intervals are based on the instance calendar setup. The new weighted average translation balance transfer option allows you to transfer accumulated balances to another account. For example, you can set the net income on the P&L to transfer to year-to-date net income and retained earnings. This option is enabled once the translation reset option is turned on. In model sheets, you can now set a maximum number of rows to display to decrease load time. And lastly, Adaptive has updated the standard import templates to include clear instructions and new fields for the weighted average translation settings. Moving on to analytics. In Discovery, you now have the ability to resize drop-down menus. This works on both perspective context and the chart time toolbar. Adaptive has also enhanced access labels to display the full dimension name when a short name is not available. Integration now allows you to automatically create new dimension attribute values while synchronizing with source dimension values. To enable this feature, navigate to the Dimension Attribute Admin screen and select the radio button next to Dimension Import Automatically Creates Attribute Values. Finally, there are a couple new features in OfficeConnect and Excel Interface for planning. Clients can now access multiple instances without having to log out and log back in using separate login credentials. All available instances are listed in a drop-down menu in the reporting and planning panes. Within OfficeConnect, Adaptive has made a couple user interface enhancements. First, they updated the OfficeConnect ribbon with buttons for commonly used actions. Secondly, they decluttered the reporting pane to reduce common errors. And that's it for today. Please join us for future webcasts to improve your user experience with Adaptive. Please don't hesitate to contact the Adaptive implementation team with any questions. Thank you.